Hey guys, Adam here from the Tint Academy. We're in Scarborough just doing our 2-day course just outside of Toronto. We're doing a quick video on how to tint with these rain guards. Now first off, if these rain guards are just clipped in or 3M taped, take them off, makes cutting a whole lot easier. The rain guards on this car here are actually glued across the top, so we cannot take it off. So in this video, I'm not going to show how to inside prep or outside prep. If you look at the videos below, you can see how to actually do that. This video is just how to cut when you have this obstacle in the way. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my window, and I'm gonna make sure that I spray across the top as well so that tint does not get stuck. The method we're doing here is a 2-stage method. So if you look at the other videos down below, you'll see how we install on that 2-stage method. So here, we're gonna take our film, and I'll lay it across the top. So we're gonna go 1 inch across, and 1 inch across here, pull it away from the car, and make our cuts. So we're gonna have a lot of excess film here because this rain guard is gonna be pushing it right off the glass. So I'm gonna flatten my film, and I'm going to put an anchor right across. My first cut is gonna be along the bottom. So one blade out, coming straight across the bottom, pull, and pull. My second cut is gonna be along the large side. Now, I cannot make it all the way up the window because I have this rain guard in the way. So I'm gonna come up as high as I can until that rain guard blocks me. So come in here, very bottom, one blade off, coming straight up. I'm gonna pull and pull. Once I make that large side cuts, I'm gonna lift up my film, spray underneath it, and I'm gonna bring it over 1/4 inch. So bring it over here, 1/4 inch. Once I make that 1/4 inch, I'm gonna double check that I'm fully locked at the bottom. Now I'm gonna make my anchor. My next cut is gonna be my small side. So with my small side in the bottom, one blade up, coming up as high as I can, pull, pull. Now I do my small side cut, I'm going to lift it up, and I want to do what's called splitting the difference. So I want even overlap on both sides. So I'm gonna bring this up and come across top. I have a little bit of overlap here, a little bit of overlap here, and I'm flush at the bottom. Once I make my overlap, I'm gonna do a hard squeegee all the way across. Now it's time to roll down the window. So before I roll down the window, I'm gonna bring this top part and spray it. So when I roll it down, we don't want to get it stuck. I was getting that out. So now I'm gonna do that. So just come along this side for me. I'm gonna lift this up and do 3 clicks down until it's below. Now I want to roll this window down until it's below that guard so I can make that cut. Now we're going to make our top cut. So in across here, come across the top, and make that top cut. So now you can see on this piece of film, I have a lot of excess here because that's where I cannot reach with that smoke guard in the way, or rain guard in the way. So I'm just going to even up these top 2 here, even that up, and come across the top. You can see on this side as well, I have a lot of extra film across the top. So I'm just going to even those guys up across. Then round out my corners, round out my corners. So these are very easy to do with the rain guards in place. We're just going to cut as far as we can all the way up. Once I do my top cut, I'll even it up. My next step is I'm going to do my shrinking. Then I'm going to install the film, and then we're good to go just like any normal window.